Well, it would seem I'm on another adventure. Good afternoon, everyone. Listen to me, I sound like a professional YouTuber, don't I? Anyway, I'm at the part where I found the plane parts. I thought I'd have another look about. And voila! Now, on my way here, along the same path, is some bone. And it was halfway up a tree in the branch. Very strange. But yeah, more plane parts. I'll take them straight up there. Or, yeah, we'll actually, whilst I'm here. He's happy there. Now, there's another piece of red tape over there. I'm going to go and investigate that because that could be significant. And then I think a trip with a metal detector for next time. What do you reckon, Rianne? I'll have another quick scout around before I'll head on back up to the memorial. Put more plane parts there.